Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Rakshit here. How are you all doing? Ellaru hegidira? So I'm quite exhausted. I know it's a curfew, but I just wanted to take a small spin. So also it's an opportunity for me to test this visor. That is, I've just put it right in front. Not the visor, the windscreen, wind deflector, whatever you want to call. This is from a brand called Inscape Dreams. So this guy is based out of Mumbai. He's a rider himself, but they're doing a pretty decent job in terms of about doing visors and all. So let's see how this thing works. I'm not gonna push too much, but I know my control, how much to push and how much not to push. And of course, if there's too much people interfering, I won't go. I mean, the R15 looks exactly like the R1 itself, man. So I'll try to push in between maybe 80 and see if there's any wind. But the problem is, even this bike doesn't do any sort of idiocy. The worst part is this motorcycle suspension is very stiff. You don't get confidence even at pushing, but in 80 the deflection is alright. You might hear a bit of a noise because I'm not wearing the AGV helmet. I'm just wearing the other Axis helmet. So there might be slight deflection, but on 80 it works. And the best part is when you buy windscreens, right, when you slow down like this thing shouldn't drag. Always use something which is lightweight, so that if you slow down and if you push, it shouldn't drag. Always remember that. So that's a free tip or an advice or kuch bhi. I'll try to open up there, the other road. There it will be much more emptier, and this is a service road, right? So obviously I can't push. I'll push a bit. Check it out now. I think it's all right. It's working fair and square now, but let's see if it works or not. See, what I was talking about is, right, when you slow down, this shouldn't drag like this. That's what happens with the one that is designed by, I don't know the name, but Tilak motorcycle has it. So even he changed off because at high speeds it just drags off. So this thing, it is going all right. But definitely the AGV helmet is much better. Hardly any noise I will hear. This one is just pulling so much wind inside the helmet. I'll take another stretch, one more stretch, I'll take a ride. Let's see. This is a 6-inch one. You also get a 8-inch one, which is much more taller as well, and that's gonna block the entire vision, so that's why I did not take. This is alright. And let's see. I mean, the biggest flaw of this motorcycle is I'm still okay with the suspension, but pushing the bottom end is like such a pain in your ass. Because see, full throttle it's still resisting so much because the wind is too much as well. And I'm so used to wearing riding gears and I can't push as well. This is the visor, and this is a 6-inch one. I think maybe the 8-inch will be slightly taller like this. This should work, man. I mean, this is working as well. One of the reasons I did not put it in Kanyakumari is also because I wanted to check the complete potential of the motorcycle, the way the bike has been built. In fact, the stock one, I only had an additional modification of the rear tire hugger, but apart from that, in terms of reducing anything, I did not make any changes. But post that, I wanted to check it out. I will try to take it out for a long stretch. It's just that because of COVID I'm holding and resisting back, so maybe I'll take a bit of a detour and take a little bit of time, and then I'll see what I can do about it. So I think first impressions, 90 to 100 it works well. I can't push much because I'm in my not in my riding gears, and I cannot push 160. I don't feel even confident pushing at it. Thank you so much for taking your time and watching this video. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And the product link will be in the description. You can contact them and they're going to give you a fair idea about everything. But I'm going to do a proper testing over highway as well. Stay tuned for that as well. That's going to come up in some time. Alright guys, until then, take care. Thank you so much for watching the video again, and we'll see you in another vlog, another content, another story, another review, anything that you want, right? Take care. Bye.